guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I made my Moringa mask that will strengthen your hair, make your hair thicker, and grow your natural hair. So these are what I'm going to be needing for today's video. The first ingredient is Moringa powder. Then I'm also going to be using coconut milk and Jamaica black castor oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Moringa powder is very good for our hair. It's very rich in nutrients and vitamins. It contains vitamin E, vitamin K, and protein. So this is the reason why we are making this hair mask, because it has amazing benefits. As for the measurement, I don't really have measurement, okay? I guess it depends on how full and long your hair is. So I'm not going to be adding the Jamaican black castor oil anymore. I changed my mind. I'm going to be using olive oil instead. So same for the olive oil, just add whatever you think you need. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add the coconut milk. So I would suggest that you should add the coconut milk little by little. In that way, you don't add too much because you don't want it to be too watery, okay? You don't want it to be too watery. You don't want it to be too runny, okay? There is a consistency that we are looking for, which I will show you guys. So add a little coconut milk, then mix it together to see if the consistency is right for you. After adding all the ingredients, I'm going to mix everything together to see if the consistency is right for me. So I'm happy with the consistency. You can see it's not too runny, it's not too thick, it's just perfect. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my daughter's hair. So just to let you guys know, this is a very messy mask due to the color. So I would suggest you should use a towel you don't really care for. Also make sure that you're wearing clothing that you don't really, care for as well. It's not that the stain wouldn't come out, but just to be on a safer side. So I'm going to go ahead and wet her hair to make it a little bit dampy. As you can see, her hair is very dry. I don't like working on a dry hair, just for easy application, and also it reduces shedding and breakage. So guys, if you're still watching to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Guys, the subscription is free, guys. It's free, absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime, okay guys? And please don't forget to put on your post notification so you don't miss my future upload. So I'm just sectioning the hair into 3 places so that it can be easy for me to apply the hair mask.
What did you expect now? That you feel better?
So I'm just making sure that the hair is covered from the root to the ends of her hair.
Thinking you were clever, telling those little lies. La la, baby, won't you la la? Getting enough of this, my love don't come for free. I got enough of you. Thinking that I'm a queen.
Someone asked me how I manage my natural hair with my 3 kids as well. Well, I'm not going to lie guys, natural hair can be very hard and very overwhelming at times. So if you have a look at my channel, all my DIY and treatments are child friendly, which make life a lot easy for me. So whatever I use on my hair, I use it on my kids' hair as well. I also put a schedule in place. My youngest daughter wash day is Friday, my son wash day is Saturday, and my eldest daughter wash day is on Sunday, and then my wash day is on Monday. 2 weeks ago, I literally went to the store and bought a relaxer. Okay, I was going to put relaxer on the hair, but my sister encouraged me not to because she said that they have beautiful hair. So yes, it can get overwhelming. My suggestion will be find a treatment that works for your hair as well as your child, and also put a routine in place. Okay, pick a day that you wash your hair, then pick another day for your child, because for me, I have 3 kids. They're all natural hair, including myself, making it 4. I can't wash 4 hair in one day. That's impossible. My daughter's hair literally take me 1 day just to wash and put the hair back in twist. So for me, I have to schedule every day for each one of them. So if you can schedule a day, and stick with that routine, things will get a lot better for you. And sometimes you will have a wobble day, oh, I'm tired, I don't want to do this anymore. But if you put that schedule in place, it will definitely make life easier for you, I guess. So back to the video, I'm just making sure all her hair is covered from the root to the ends, and I'm also trying to detangle her hair at the same time. I also like to massage her scalp just to stimulate blood flow to her scalp and promote healthy hair growth. So whenever I'm doing treatment or washing their hair, I always massage their scalp, okay, because it really does help in promoting healthy hair. So I'm done applying the mask. Her hair has grown so much. It's full and thick, really thick. Sometimes it's too thick for me to manage. Her hair shrinks a lot, so it's very difficult for you guys to see the length. So the next stage is I'm going to cover the hair and I'm going to allow it to sit for 45 minutes. For myself, I usually allow it to sit for 45 minutes to 1 hour, sometimes even more, depending if I'm less busy. But for a child that doesn't have patience to sit for 45 minutes, 30 minutes should be fine. We apply this treatment every other month because my daughter naturally have a full and thicker hair already, so applying it every month would just be too much for me. Here I'm just applying the conditioner. I just rinsed out the Moringa mask and I have shampooed their hair as well. So I would recommend this mask. It's really amazing, especially for those that have really thin hair. So if you're struggling with thin hair, definitely do apply this mask. It would definitely thicken your hair. Okay, my daughter has a thick hair, but when applied this mask, her hair was thicker. The hair was really thick. It was very difficult for me to manage. Okay, I couldn't even put the comb through it. I had to use blow dryer to blow dry it because using the comb was just a nightmare. Okay, I had to use the blow dryer because it was just too thick for me to manage. Now I'm done washing her hair, so I'm just applying the leave-in conditioner and the moisturizer, and I'm also applying the clove oil to lock in the moisture. So as I said before, if you have thin hair, definitely apply this mask to your hair. Your hair will be thicker and fuller. So I'm just going to put her hair in a protective style so that her hair can soak up all the moisture. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you again for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.